Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here again, and I'm going to unbox the 7-year itch on Blu-ray, starring Tom Ewell and Marilyn Monroe. So, as you can see that there are too many special features on this. That includes the commentary, isolated score track in high definition, interactive timeline of Marilyn Monroe, Monroe and Wilder, an intersection of genius, deleted scenes, Hollywood backstories, theatrical trailers, and so on. I got this at around 45% off, so that's why I purchased this. Okay, looks like the disc has already come out. Let me open that. Yeah, the disc has come out. Okay, luckily there is no scratches on it. So here is the disc for you. There's no cover art on it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.